Kotoko Aji League 4 times. Since 2011.
2011.
Kotoko Aji League 4 times.
Okay.
Ash Gold Aji 1. Wow Stars Aji 1. Eduana Aji 1. Eduana Aji 2. Has Aji 1. Medium Aji 1. On Asamatex Aji 1. I have always insisted, say, Ghana League na yebono. Yebo League na Mahas and Kotoko.
Asempa FM.
All the other clubs are participating.
Okay.
Inti participants no. Etimi Jeffrey. The achievers in Semua. There must be something wrong. What do you say?
Okay.
Kotoko is huge. House of Folk is huge.
Asempa FM.
All the other clubs no maji 111 no. Omunye huge that it is a house in Kotoko.
Yeah, I need the omunyina atiase.
Inti, if you are managing such a club like Has and Kotoko, you should know the character of these two teams, the nature of these two teams,
Asempa FM,
the foundation of these two teams, and what they stand for, together with their supporters.
Okay.
Nana Pinkra, enim Sadian. What is here?
Onim Sadian saying,
Yadia the man no, onim the nature and the expectation team nation. Open what task you woman say. League in my but me some Africa. Namuko ye bibi.
Asempa FM.
That task na ye de share woman sano. Tasks are a song. Now it doesn't come cheap. It comes very expensive. What would they make sure no?
Okay.
Enti Nana Pinka is just responding to what Opinso has told them to do. So ebasa sikasem dia me Opinso am task mo no. Me mamun laki sikasem. Because they mesi mun ko achieve no. Task heading, but ebanisi kasama me mamun laki
resources are available
because I don't know bit me pia mama makoji dem pese me hunu ba. Kotoko might not win Africa in the next 10 years, but it is an audacious statement coming from Opimso. So this is what I want.
Okay.
Asempa.
They are working towards it. Enti Kotoko support akra punchani bi chentua bi asekra no ka say wo na pinkratia so kofane ba. So what you say?
Because of Africa no.
Because of what?
The target, you know.
Yes. Working to achieve the target. What would they make you know?
Yeah.
Say Kotoko this year Kotoko admi anyi league we are. Na omu ye team the whole of Africa omu no sapa our Ghana our Africa
baby our namna. What's interestingly, the Asante Kotoko single entity management model appears to be yielding positive results more than the conventional management system. Maybe they should combine the two management systems by giving the single entity executive chairman more executive powers.
Yeah.
And Uncle Mike Busu, just to add to the whole
and now let me share some message, you know. If you didn't come over, you didn't come up. And to Kwaku Kotoko at this stage, the board of Kotoko is embodied in one person, Opimso. Anna, where ye management, you know, only just two, and another pinkanico siapia. And I'm appointing Malik Jaber as technical advisor.
Yeah.
And I could play the role of sporting director.
Exactly.
And Ogun, a head coach. It's a sound from Yansawi. Together with the entire Kotoko All Players Association, I legends, you know. And they share the side of recruitment for Kotoko. And Nana Pinkra, management stroke, an accountant.
Executive IMC member.
And also administration.
Asempa FM.
It won't. And almighty chief of staff Kofi Bedu.
Yeah.
Asante the chief of staff and the overall boss. Is Oma out.
On the running club is
Yes.
From Malaysia?
Yes.
Okay.
Chief of staff Kofi Bedu. Veteran Kofi Bedu, former graphic managing director. So I say, enti, what is happening to Kotoko right now? No? Ekane eno open so ahwe eno onyisika eno obeja Kotoko no eno fam obi so on fama no eno say ene dia eno onyisika nyese so wagina de.
Okay.
Ana na pinkra free ni kotodwem. Na pinkra wote ahye fi o free ni kotodwem no say hweso ma me o ya accountant o san ya management why ya management o ya complete manager anti hwetim no so ma me. Bibia be ka kire me because menioma dawson.
Okay.
And that is what is going for Kotoko now. Kotoko team as at now no emodu emuayedu. Do you know why I'm saying that emuayedu no? Because players no will move no. Experienced players, they've seen it all before.
Asempa FM.
One of them no.
Emuayedu check has team no.
Oh has team I will come there. Enti
Asempa FM.
Kotoko e bom paye kakra bia efa because players no modu. It's a matter of opinion kakra bi. It is a Kotoko ntimi amfa sa mega signings sa United Nations ya omaye any sa all embracing Ghanaian from everywhere bia mbenyani bia omkofani ntimi amfa anyi this year's league Kotoko yitim almost send the whole of Africa almost assisting bia
no but obetimenya Galacticos but still are now struggle
enti wasa nti na want me afanya hwe no
it may take
you
process
enti na want me afanya hwe no
according to us
Kotoko strength about 90% correct. What you say? And what is going for them right now? No, any fluke, a painstaking idea. Oma shadasa omo ye. Now oma setting oma eyes on the league because one new league out in Africa into Ubaji league na San Africa. Into oma setting oma eyes on the league.
Okay.
And that is what they are working towards it now. So much me any league no koji FA Cup the whole of Africa. Me fancy the whole world kwa Kotoko na sapa.
Na mo be hwa mo makoji league no.
E ba. Me no me pakakakra o. Kwaku. Enti say at the moment here everything is going well for Kotoko. Oje omne dreams here. They squandered about 8 chances a year esenka ye go what I say omo burning na to go here etikese vision give 12 nil. I'm telling you big chances sometimes empty pole Sakadada and Kwampuku corporates omo botugu sa but they created a lot of chances
okay all
because of the quality and the experience they have now.